Hello everybody, my name is Mcclendon, coming at you guys with the market forecast for this week. And I'm going to be going over some Forex events, some economy, some news, and some updates from our website, so let's get into it. So guys, Monday, we have a bank holiday for Japan. They completely have their holiday, so if you're going to be trading that currency pair, please watch out. It might be a little bit slow, might be a little bit, no movement on that side, so just be aware of that. We do got some big Fed talks with Powell, so we understand what the Fed's objectives are. The Fed's objectives are right now is to buy as much assets as they can, put us into more debt, have more control. So they are not going to increase interest rates right now. We are in a horrible economic mess right now, despite what the news and everyone else says. But that's what it's basically what we're talking about: acquiring more assets, inflating the markets. And that's why I'm going to get into the next thing about when it comes to crude oil, why it's so important. But all this other news, there's not too many other big things coming up. There's some dollar, maybe a little bit of New Zealand, but if you trade those pairs, just check them out. Go to the link will be below for forexfactor.com. So check out the week before you trade it. Next thing, always check for being the week is the Fed balance sheet. Now, I always like to compare it to gold, see the perspective that we have entered a massive recession, and the Fed balance sheet has been exploding. Gold has been, I believe gold and silver are the one of the most undervalued assets, but right now they're being suppressed. That's a good thing, giving you more time to buy in. So see when gold does catch up in purchasing power, not just in prices, we will see a massive explosion in that. So that leads me to the gold silver ratio. We are at a really good high for me. Still takes about 65 ounces of silver to get 1 ounce of gold. That's really good. Still shows that to obtain more silver, I get about 300 ounces of silver for 1 ounce of gold, and I just keep stacking until this blows over, until we see the purchasing power flip over. But when it comes to Forex, guys, there's one chart I really want to show you guys. This is pound yen on the monthly. I'm currently in this trade, been holding this for about 3 weeks now. So I'm at the bottom of this candle, almost right here. And I tell you, it's heading higher. Yen is doing really bad economically. I mean, a lot of countries are in general, but yen's going to be doing for short. So going long, this might be very beneficial. I'm guessing there's a swap. This is a small swap, honestly. You might get some little payments out of it, but it's a little good to give you guys a peace of mind about what I think about it. Next thing is crude oil. Now, I gotta tell everyone else, I think crude oil is gonna hit $100 per barrel, go right back up to these highs. The Federal Reserve needs to pump up crude oil as much as they can so they can pump up the other markets, lifeblood of the markets. Now, once crude oil gets pumped up, they're going to show like that we're in an economic boom. No, we're not. We're absolutely doing horrible. I mean, look at the jobs numbers, but we can go to that a little later. But let's hit some news, guys. Now, this is on Zero Hedge. Please check this out. I will be posting this on a website once I finish updating it. Check out this one. It says Michael Burry warns about hyperinflation, Weimar hyperinflation. Now, if you don't know about Weimar Germany hyperinflation, please check this out. Really good article. Really good thing right there. Now we got some other craziness. Oh my God! This whole talks about $15 minimum wage, which is minimum wage is stupid in my opinion. Anyways, fuck, just retarded. But it is what it is. So please check this out. I made other videos about it. Just check it out. Just tell me what you guys' thoughts are. Drop a comment below. Also, like and share this my stuff, guys. Do this out and help out more people. This is pretty cool. 92% of New York restaurants will be able to pay their rent. Now, it's cool in the sense of understanding where the market's going. The government shut down over this pandemic, guys. But that's about it. So let's get to my website. I am updating a lot of things on here, modifying this right here, how it looks. So you guys can just go to one place. I'm adding some indicators that I've back tested many times so you guys can use, so you guys don't have to back test it yourself, and my thoughts on those. And also when it comes to trading on MetaTrader 4 or 5, you can have that application here. But thank you guys for making it in the video. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you.